Okay, we're aboard the Quest. And here is the crack that was here. You can see from various angles. It just filled. It looks good. We just gotta grind this back a little bit. This is another crack on the left side. You could probably just drop a little 2P10 or something. Did you do 2P10 with white? A little 2P10 with white. And Vinny's working on this outside part. Right here. Looking better. What we're finding here is that obviously this is a solid cabinet. There are some doors, but the doors are, well, there's very little ventilation, but there's some right here. Spoke with the engineer on board. They're gonna use some fiberglass tape around the cutouts, or on the edge of the cutouts, to try to avoid the heat transfer. They do not want me to use the metal tape that we said we were going to use. And you can see that crack looks much better. We're also going to break the edges a little bit just because they're a little sharp, just slightly. There's not any room for reinforcement of the cutout, which I was hoping for, except here, this one spot back here. And then we came around the whole top, and we, over here specifically, I filled those joints with a little bit of chlorine epoxy, and touched up this seam as well, and fill this one in a little bit more as well. Other than that, no other major issues.